Lobster Bake, a delicious tradition explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and mouth-watering topic, lobster bake. This phrase not only evokes delicious seafood but also a rich cultural tradition. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just curious about different culinary practices, this video is for you. Let's embark on this flavorful journey together. A lobster bake refers to both a method of cooking and a type of social event, particularly popular in the northeastern United States, especially Maine. Imagine a large gathering, often outdoors, where lobsters are cooked, usually in a large pit. This pit is filled with hot stones, seaweed, and, of course, lobsters, along with other seafood and sides like corn and potatoes. It's not just a cooking method, it's an experience that brings people together. The tradition of the lobster bake is deeply rooted in history. It dates back to the cooking methods of Native American tribes, particularly those along the Atlantic coast. They used to cook clams and other shellfish in a similar manner. This method was adopted and adapted over time, leading to the modern-day lobster bake, which is now a symbol of celebration and community gatherings. The cooking process of a lobster bake is unique and fascinating. First, a large pit is dug in the ground and lined with stones. A fire is made, heating the stones. Once the fire dies down, layers of wet seaweed are placed on the hot stones to create steam. Then, lobsters, along with other ingredients like clams, mussels, corn, and potatoes, are layered on top. The entire pit is then covered, usually with more seaweed or a canvas, to trap the steam. This method cooks the food evenly and infuses it with a distinctive, smoky flavor. Beyond the cooking, a lobster bake is a social event. It's an occasion for friends, families, and communities to gather and enjoy a meal together. The communal aspect is a big part of its charm. It's a time for storytelling, laughter, and making memories, all centered around the shared enjoyment of delicious food. The lobster bake is much more than just cooking seafood. It's a cultural tradition that brings people together, steeped in history and community. We hope this video has given you a taste of this fascinating culinary practice. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more interesting topics with you. Stay curious and keep exploring the flavors of the world.